Thank you so much for that kind introduction. Shri Rajesh Bhushan, Secretary, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Ms. Abha Negi, Managing Director of One World Foundation India, representatives of community radio stations, experts and colleagues. I am really extremely pleased to be able to join you in this important dialogue, which, as you know, is aimed at supporting the national response to the COVID-19 pandemic. Community radio stations, as we've just heard, have always played a crucial role, not only in giving local communities a voice to make themselves heard, but also in delivering timely, accurate, and useful information to people of diverse ages, genders, and backgrounds. As organizations embedded at the local level, community radio stations are the first line in providing vital information to individuals, to families, and to communities. And it's been repeatedly demonstrated that this role facilitates open dialogue and conveys essential knowledge to improve the health and well-being of communities, including those that are vulnerable or marginalized, and including in emergency settings. Community radio stations have a long history of working at the local level, disseminating valuable life-saving information to their vast audiences. This experience, their efforts, and their outreach have proved to be invaluable in the context of the COVID-19 pandemic. We know that the nature of this global pandemic is unprecedented, and we therefore have an important opportunity to exchange experiences and insights on best practices in reaching communities to help protect against the spread of COVID, to help mitigate its devastating impacts, and to address COVID-related stigma. And the community radio stations and experts who are represented here today play a critical role in building knowledge and skills to make a meaningful difference in the way people think and act so that we can lessen the threat of the COVID-19 pandemic. We at UNDP have been proud to support the leadership and efforts of the Government of India and of the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare in fighting COVID-19, in collaboration with UN, community, and private sector partners. We're also extremely pleased to be partnering with the One World Foundation India to strengthen the capacity of community radio stations in creating awareness on COVID-19, promoting COVID-appropriate behaviors, and tackling vaccine hesitancy. I'm confident that our partnership and capacity building webinars will provide useful opportunities to community radio stations to learn from and exchange experiences with peers and experts alike, in turn helping to build community resilience and supporting local and national efforts to overcome the pandemic. Let me conclude by once again thanking the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare for its leadership and guidance, and thanking the One World team and my colleagues at UNDP for taking forward this initiative. We are grateful to all of our participants for joining us today and for sharing your commendable efforts, your experiences, knowledge, and insights. Thank you again, and we look forward to our continued collaboration.
Thank you, Ms.